And yeah, so first, chapter 2 is differential calculus. So we will have our SAT1 for this chapter without calculator. Okay, without calculators. You cannot use calculator. So it's solely manual. So that is under differential calculus. So you don't have to worry about when is the SAT and so on and so forth. Okay, for before every SAT, there will be 1 week for you to do the revision for the SAT. So your task is, your job is, as a student, make sure after every lesson when I teach you, I tell you which exercise to do, you please practice. You can go to Times. I have uploaded all the practice tests for the SAT. So I will give you 1 week times before the SAT for every SAT. Yeah. So you cannot tell me that you don't have times to do the revision. 5 hours for one small chapter is more than enough. I make you do it in class. So I give you no choice to give me an excuse that I don't have time to do. Okay? So you don't have to keep asking me when is the SAT. Trust me. That is the first thing I want from my student. What you need to do is, your job is to study. My job is to plan it in such a way that will make your study comfortable. If you feel that you cannot catch up with the work, you have to ask yourself, am I doing my time, using my class time wisely? Are you clear? So SAT1 is from chapter 2 without calculus, without calculator. And for chapter 3, it will be application. Application of differential calculus. Okay, that will be our SAT2. This one, you can use calculator and you can bring in one page, A4 size, handwritten notes. So you cannot tell me that you cannot remember how to do. So that is your SAT2. Yeah. Okay. SAT, this is chapter 4 and chapter 5. There is integration. And application. Okay, that will be your SAT3. Same thing, you can use calculator and one-page handwritten notes. Okay. Are you okay? Okay. So all the SAT1, SAT2, and SAT3 without trigo. Without trigonometry function. Do you know what is trigonometry function? So that will be in your SAT4. Differentiation and integration of trigo. Are you clear? So that means include chapter 2, 3, 4, 5. Only trigo function. So is that clear? Okay, let's go to now the next one. Chapter 6 and 7 and 8. This is under statistic. Discrete. And continuous. And this one, every one of you have learned before. So this will be our SAT 5. And the chapter 9, this is the application sampling. This is very important. Sampling. This will be our SAT 6. Okay. 6 SAT carry 50% of your internal assessment. So that means each SAT will take about 8%, approximately 8.5% for each SAT. Approximately. Are you clear? So anything else you want to ask about the SAT?
On SAT 4, we're doing the previous chapters, like two all together, 2,
all
3,
the
4, 5.
trigo function, yes.
Okay.
All the trigo function. Are you okay? So any other questions about this? So I told you already, every single SAT, what you need to do? You just need to follow my step. Trust me, I will prepare in such a way that you have enough time. So we are planning to finish all this at the end of July, at the middle of August. So look, you don't have much time to delay there. We have to really get into a serious stuff. Correct? Okay. So you know that your internal is 70%, correct? Your internal is 70%. So where is the 20%? So listen here. 20% is the folio stuff. Folio. So the folio, we will do statistic. Okay, don't have to worry about that. After I finish all the statistics, I will give you about 3 weeks to do your folio. In the class, I will discuss with you. I will brief you on what to do. I will give you the question. Okay, how much to write and how to write. And our folio task is very different from your EAL or any other subject. So don't take your other subject of writing the folio compared to the max. So don't tell me whether you have to do this or not. You just listen to how I brief you. So every subject, they have their own way of presenting their assignment folio. In Max, we call it folio. So it's quite a heavy weightage, 20%. So your all add up together will be 70%. So your 30% will be your external exam, which will be carried out in the month of October and November, beginning of November. So we have 1 month of October to prepare for our final exam. If things go well. So I don't know how the other subject teacher going to do it. That is how I'm going to do it. So don't feel so stressed up because of the assignment. What you need to do is, my advice is, just take things one step at a time. Yeah.